Hello friends, I am CM Diksha. I welcome you all in your YouTube channel. Friends, in today's video we will see how to link the data in same sheet in two different sheet, and we will also see how to link the data between two different files. We will also see what are the common errors which we are committing, due to which our data linking will be wrong and we will not the correct answer. Let's see friends. Friend, first of all, we will learn how to link the data in the same sheet. Let's take an example. These are my name and max, and I want to give the link from here. Means what we have to do? You can put sign either plus or is equal to. Then just select the name and press enter. You will see over here Excel has selected the cell reference names. The cell is B3, means my data of whatever nature in B3 will be reflected over here. And if I want to drag the data and I want answer in another cell, then simply drag. You can see the result will be there. This is the very simple method. Now let's take an example. My data is in one sheet and I want to import or I want to link it in another sheet. Means my data is in sheet 1 and let's try in sheet 2. So what we have to do? First I have to put a sign of plus or is equal to. Then I will just go over here. Now the point is you have to press enter at this stage only. If you will go to sheet number 2 and you will press enter, answer will not come. So wherever you have given the link, select that cell and press enter. You will wonder the answer will be coming. Here you will, if you will see, if I will press F to the sheet 1 B3, means your data has been linked from sheet 1 B3 cell. If I want the answer in another cell, I have to simply drag that and you will wonder the answer is coming. Now let's check if I will change a name over here. If I will change the name to Pathik, let's say example, let's check whether answer has been changed in sheet 2 or not. You will wonder sheet 2 name has been changed. Again we will do some name. If I will do XXX, then let's check in next sheet the answer is changing or not. See friends, in this way you can link the data between two sheets also. Now the important question is, if I have a data in one sheet and I want to link the same in another file, means both are in different file. Let's try. I will open another blank file of Excel. Let's hear. So what I will do, I will put the sign of plus or is equal to. I will link the data from here. Again, the point to be noted is wherever there is a source data, you have to select that cell and press enter. Here, if I will drag this, answer will come or not. Let's check friends. You will wonder answer will not come. Why? What is the issue? First of all, I will delete this and let's look at what is the issue. If I will press F2, you will see the link is from school friends sheet 1, then sign of dollar is there. I have already prepared detailed video on this. This is called absolute referencing and relative referencing. When there is a dollar sign, means Excel has logged this cell. Then what I will do, I have to delete this dollar sign. Again I will delete this dollar sign and I will press enter. Now let's drag this and check whether answer will come or not. See friends, answer has been coming in a perfect way. This is one way. The other way around is, let's do it. Again I will delete this. Yes, then what to do? Just put a sign, go to the original sheet. Here if I will select the entire data, then I will press enter, and now if I will drag, answer will also come. So either way you can use this. If I will change the name or change the data over here, again I will make it to, let's take an example, Kinjal. Then see whether in the sheet is name is changing or not. Yes, and see friends, the name has been changed by Excel automatically. In this way you can also link two different data in two different files. Friends, we have already learned how to link a data, but let's take an example. I want to the original database. Then how to do? First of all, I will just delete this dollar sign and do it in the first way. Again, I will just do a double click or I will drag it. Now, if someone will tell, sir, I want to go directly to the original data source, then how to do? You can just press Control and open square bracket. Then you can immediately go to the cell from where you have given the link. Now the next point is, if I want to come back to the data where I have given the link, then you have to press F5. If you press F5, it will show you go to, means Excel will go to book 4, sheet 1 and B5 cell. You have to not to do anything over here except you have to press OK. So when I will press OK, it will directly go to the location where I have given the link. So friends, it will be very useful to you when you are giving the link of one sheet to another sheet and you want to review the formula. Hope friends you have enjoyed the video. If you feel I added some knowledge to you, please like the video and share with your friends. Thank you very much. Keep smiling. Take care.